Hey everybody, good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. A warm front currently pushing east through central Nebraska. It's bringing a couple of extra clouds, especially to north central Nebraska. Those will push east through the morning. Southerly winds are going to be increasing. It's going to be a windy day today, but it's also going to be a milder day for today, and we'll enjoy plenty of afternoon sun. Tonight, mostly clear for much of the night. Then some clouds come in early tomorrow morning. Winds remain breezy or blustery overnight. That's going to keep temperatures a little more elevated. Then for tomorrow, some of those clouds giving more way to sunshine as we get into the afternoon hours. Once again, a day with some strong southerly winds, gusts up to 40 miles per hour both today and tomorrow. But we're going to enjoy a very mild day on Wednesday. Wednesday night, here comes a cold front moving through northern and western areas. By midnight Wednesday night, brings some rain and a flip of the winds to the north. That'll bring a drop in temperatures. We'll see that front come through the Tri-Cities after midnight into early Thursday morning, and rain transitioning over to snow as we get the colder air starting to come in. I'm going to take a quick break real quick from this recording. I have to talk to our production staff real quick here, so I apologize for this break, but I do need to do that real quick. Kaylee or Kevin, if you guys could skip this weather segment, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so as we take a look at Thursday, sorry about that little break here. The Today Show kind of blocks off my time sometimes with this, and they're doing the weather really early today. So rain transitioning to snow as we get back into the forecast here as we get into your Thursday. Now, the good news with this system, and I'll go with the good news first, is that it's a very quick mover. It doesn't look like it's going to last more than about 12 to 18 hours. And it doesn't look like there's a ton of moisture with this system as it makes its way through. But when it's moving through, it could cause problems. One, we're seeing drop in temperatures. Two, the winds, already strong Thursday morning there at 7 o'clock, are going to get really nasty during the day. We could see north winds gusting 45 to 55 miles per hour, especially in the afternoon hours. So where the snow is falling, the snow will be blowing around like crazy, creating near blizzard conditions. Now, I don't expect super heavy snowfall, and most of us will not pick up a whole lot of snow as we head through this through the day on Thursday. And then by the end of the day, Thursday, most of it will be off to the east. We're going to show you that on some of the graphics here, or the long-range forecast models real quick here. Let's start you with the European model. So again, I'm just jumping ahead, skipping the next day and a half or so. This takes you into early Thursday morning right there. So here it is as this moves through here. Right now, I would target northeastern Nebraska with the heaviest snow, maybe up a little bit higher amounts there. But here are the Tri-Cities. I'm kind of thinking 1, 2, maybe 3 inches of snowfall with northeastern areas looking to get the heaviest snow. It will then move off to the east. By the end of the day, Thursday should be out of here. And then we'll see quieter weather. The winds will start to calm down. Quieter weather beyond until maybe the early portion of the next week, right there in Monday. Maybe some moisture returning. We'll see Monday to Tuesday. But eventually temperatures do start to recover next week just a little bit. Show you the GFS forecast model. Again, quiet for the next few days, just windy and warm. But then here it comes Thursday morning. There comes that cold front. A low pressure system across northern Kansas there. And look at the winds really get going during the day Thursday as that rain or that snow moves through here. Again, initially rain, but then snow. And again, I would target northeastern areas with the heaviest snow with this system right in here. And then by the end of the afternoon, it's moving on out of here. Quiet weather then returns. We'll have to watch Friday, maybe hints of some very light snow or flurries. I don't think it'll be much right now, though. But then quiet weather for the weekend. Still cold, but then it starts to get a little bit better next week, although we may see a little bit of very limited moisture around that Sunday night, Monday time frame. But warmer temperatures do look to eventually come in here. So let's take a look. We're going to go backwards now. We're going to go back to today. High temperatures today. Looks pretty good out there this afternoon. Highs into the 50s. Some lower 60s in southwest Nebraska and northwest Nebraska. Maybe not quite to 50. Northeast Nebraska could be seeing highs in the 40s. Far eastern Nebraska as well. Tonight, not nearly as cold as the winds stay elevated. We'll drop back into the 30s for overnight lows. And then for tomorrow, this is by far our best day we will see for a while. You will want to enjoy, even if it's going to be on the windy side, highs into the 60s. Even O'Neill, up in O'Neill where they've been struggling to catch up all for the last 2 months, finally kind of catching up. Not, it's not as warm as everybody else, but still, that's better. Much better than anything we've been seeing recently. Might see some lower 70s in the southwest. I wouldn't rule out mid 70s in places like McCook, Norton, Kansas there. That is certainly a possibility. Early Thursday morning. These are our lows, 20s, 30s, low 40s, but keep in mind temperatures will probably even drop during the day here. In fact, our high temperatures on Thursday will be early. In fact, some of us will probably see a high warmer than this earlier in the morning, just after midnight Wednesday night, because officially we're into the next calendar day. So your high temperature for many of you may actually come at 12:01 Thursday morning, and then the temperatures will drop from there. So temperatures will be getting colder during the day Thursday. So again, after a couple of windy, mild days, the colder air coming, the strong winds coming. Like I said, the worst of the winds the next 3 days are actually going to be on Thursday. Those nasty north winds, rain eventually mixing in with snow on Thursday, and then it's out of here by the end of the afternoon. Beyond that, the weather gets better, kind of. At least it won't be as windy or gloomy. We get some sunshine to return on Friday. It will still be rather blustery, though. Winds are still going to be strong, just not as nasty as Thursday's winds. Saturday's actually going to be colder, but we get sunshine, still a little breezy, unfortunately. So not a great day, but at least it'll be sunny out there. It kind of reminds me of what we saw back on this last Sunday. Then for this upcoming Sunday, maybe a few degrees warmer after a cold start. 10 degrees to wake up on Sunday. You have to dress warm for church. Partly cloudy skies there on Sunday, and then maybe more clouds are on Monday. I haven't put moisture in the forecast yet, but there's a chance I may have to throw in a little bit of moisture in for Monday. Not spring-like for the first day of spring. Low 40s. It's better, but still going to be on the chilly side. And then there you go. There is kind of the long-range part of the forecast, as temperatures will eventually come up by the middle of next week. So mild today, very mild tomorrow, the big plunge Thursday, staying cold all the way through the weekend. Monday, first day of spring, slightly better. Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday maybe closer to average. Thursday. In fact, by Thursday, our average high is probably going to be about 54 degrees, so we'll be close to average there on Thursday, actually. But we'll see. But it does look like we'll trend at least a little bit warmer as we get further into next week. You can see the trends across on the map here across the country. Cold in the east, warm to the west. We're going to take in some of that warm weather today and especially tomorrow there. Then comes the cold on Thursday, and then we get a kind of a secondary plunge in temperatures for the first half of the weekend. Saturday is going to be an unusually cold March day. It's still pretty chilly on Sunday. Monday a little better, and then again slowly ushering in milder temperatures by the middle of next week before maybe another drop later next week. We'll see. So nothing that screams out, nice spring-like weather for the most part, other than maybe tomorrow. But spring usually, warm weather usually comes strong winds, and that's what we're going to see today and tomorrow. So, all right, with that, that's everything I have for you for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you all again on Wednesday morning. I'll maybe talk more snow totals on Wednesday here, but otherwise, enjoy your day today. Don't get blown away. Don't forget Pancake Feed, the Kiwanis Pancake Feed in Hastings today at the Adams County Fairgrounds from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. today. You can get your tickets there at the door. I've got my tickets. I'm looking forward to get some pancakes and some sausage later on today. So thank you for watching. I will see you all again on Wednesday morning. Take care. God bless. Bye.